Hey guys, what's up? My name's Ben Layson. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my friend John.
Hey.
And this week's video, we're gonna be getting some haircuts that are like spring and summer and styled. So if you guys are looking for some inspiration on your haircuts, these might be some options for you if you like them. But anyways, I'm back home from college. I'm in my room right now. As you can see, it's a bit of a mess. I still have a lot to do. I'm basically remodeling my room. So you guys can look out for a video on that. It's going for like a little bit minimalism, so stay subscribed if you're interested in seeing that and hit the bell so you know when I upload it. And anyways, I will see you guys all after the barber. Alright guys, and we just got back from the haircut. We're going to go with John's haircut first because he has to go pretty soon, so he's going to describe it.
Oh yes, the haircut I got was a classic comb over, and I think the barber I got mine from did an excellent job on it, especially with the closeness on the side.
Yeah, and with his haircut, I don't think he does much with styling it. As you see it right now is how it pretty much looks all the time. Also show you some B-roll up close, more, extra shots of the cut. And my haircut was, I think I faded up from 1 to a 4, as you can see, and it's also just like natural on top with a little bit. It's natural on top and it gets shorter as it goes to the back, and that's just a really simple haircut for both of us, really. Nothing much going on. And also with my haircut, I do tend to style my hair, so I will also show you, like John, just the haircut itself, and then I'll also show you how I style it. And right now we're gonna cut right to it. Alright, so those are both our hairstyles. This is my first time doing a video like this. And if you liked it, let me know down below if you want to see more like this in the future. Otherwise, these are just really great casual styles for students because they're really simple to them. Especially his, there's not really...
Yeah, there's not much to it.
Yeah, not much to it. Neither with mine. It's just like I said, a fade from 1 to 4, and the top is only like a few inches long and just gets shorter in the back. But both of these hairstyles make it so it's really easy to do different styles with them. I mean, both these haircuts make it easy to do different styles with them. It's like a fringe like this, something. And they're just great for the summertime. And, shorter hair on the sides is all about spring and summer. And winter, I like to go more with a natural look and more fuller, as you can see with my last haircut. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you all next week.